In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable Klaviyo app embed on Shopify. We will do this directly inside your Shopify admin using the theme customizer. Enabling this app embed makes sure Klaviyo can load its on-site JavaScript on your storefront, which is commonly needed for features like sign-up forms, tracking, and other on-site tools. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, click Online Store. Then select Themes. On this page, you will see your current active theme. Find the Customize button for that active theme and click it. This opens the theme editor, where you can control settings for your storefront. Now look to the far left vertical toolbar inside the theme editor. Find the App Embeds icon. It looks like a small square block. Click that icon to open the App Embeds panel. This area is where Shopify lets apps add code to your theme in a controlled way without you needing to edit theme files. In the list of available embeds, locate the one called Klaviyo On-Site JavaScript. Once you find it, click the toggle switch to turn it on. When it is enabled, the toggle will change to the on state and typically shows as blue. This indicates the embed is active for your theme. Next, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. Saving is important because changes in the theme editor do not apply to your live storefront until they are saved. After you save, give it a moment to confirm the update. Now open your live website in a new tab. Make sure you are viewing the actual storefront, not the theme editor preview. On the page, right-click anywhere and select View Page Source. This opens the raw HTML source for that page in your browser. This is a quick way to confirm that the Klaviyo script is being loaded. If you do not see it right away, refresh the page source once or twice, since browsers can sometimes show a cached version. Once you have confirmed the embed is enabled and the changes are saved, you are finished. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.